welcome all race fans to the Piston Cup racing series, the one that we have all been waiting for. I am Bob Cutlass with my good partner Daryl Karchuk. Hello! And we are ready to start the first Piston Cup race of the season. It has been quite a while, but we have finally gotten ready to get it all settled so you all can see these amazing racers and hope that your favorite racer takes the gold. We have quite a big crowd today, don't we? That's right! There is a lot of people here. Good thing we didn't get too crowded. Yep, you're right about that one, Daryl. Well, the race is about to start. Here is the starting lineup. Our pole sitter was Winford Bradford Rutherford, as he won both practice races and he was able to take the pole. Team RPM is really cheering him on. Come on, Winford, you got this. If you can win those practice races, you can definitely do well here. Yeah, thanks guys, I'll try my best. However, in last, rounding out the field, we have Floyd Mulvihill. He didn't really do too well in practicing. But let's hope he can maybe turn the tables. Alright, all drivers, start your engines! Three, two, one. Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing, boys! And Misty!
Things are already getting interesting, Bob. It seems that Dirksen and Whistler are battling first. What? Round is supposed to take first away from them. I was not expecting that. And lap 1 is complete.
Oh, right, man! Marry me! Marry me too! No, just marry me! Calm down. Okay.
Why don't we take a look at Floyd Mulvihill? He's turning out to do pretty well against the racers in the back. Wow, he's catching up quite a bit. But the other racers aren't going to let him do that, Bob. They got to try their best, too. They're not going to give pity points to someone. JB Apex has taken the lead. Oh, I didn't notice that. JB Apex is doing quite well there. And suddenly, Lightning McQueen takes the lead. Well, it's about time. I was wondering when he was going to get up there. JB Apex is battling for first with him. And here comes other racers trying to catch McQueen. But McQueen is not giving up that lead. Now we're on lap 3. How long is McQueen going to take up that lead? Seems like it's going to be for quite a while, Daryl.
Chick, what are you doing out there? You gotta catch up! I have an idea. And what could that be, Chick? Well, how about this?
Oh no! Chick Hicks is causing a major wreck! Oh no, it's taking out a lot of cars! Oh, that had to hurt. Oh, there goes Holinga spinning around. Oh no, there's Kevin Shipwright. Oh, Ryan Felix took a big jump over. Oh, really safe. Never mind. Well, it looks like all the other racers are stopping.
That was a close one. Yeah, I know. We should be more careful.
Yeah, the fans are right there. Oh, they should be more careful. Oh, and now all the racers have to stop.
Now? Oh my gosh, this is just horrible. Chick never learns. Well, why don't we just check out the replay?
So you see, Chick just taps Johnny Blamer, and he ends up hitting Floyd Mulvihill, Darren Leadfoot, and then there comes Holingas and Kevin Racing Tire into the wreck. Oh boy. Poor Floyd Mulvihill. He had a chance, didn't he? Well, there's Todd Marcus and Billy Oil Changer. They end up getting involved. And then you had Ralph Carlo get hit very hard by Kevin Racing Tire. And then there's Eugene Kabreski in the wreck. And Lee Revkins, too. Oh, and there's Kevin Shiftwright. These tracks hate Kevin Shiftwright, that's for sure. He crashed in the practice races, too. Oh, and you see Ryan Shields flipping on his roof, losing a tire. And there goes Floyd Mulvihill ramming into Junebug. And then there's Greg Candyman. And then there's Murray Clutchburn, who braked, but then I think Brush Kerber hit him. Yes, you were right, Daryl. It was Brush. And he landed on top of Darren Letfoot. And there goes the safety tow truck, who is going to take some of the cars out of the race. Thankfully, the cars are now ready to pit.
Fast pit stops from those teams. But now, let's cut to commercials. I look so ugly. I wish there was a way for me to look cool. Well, I can fix that for you. Krusty Rotor? Yep, that's me. And I race for Vinyl Toupee. It's a vinyl top in a can. So close your eyes, turn around, and let the beauty do its masterpiece. Well, how do you feel? I feel brand new. I look so cool. Well, buy Vinyl Toupee, only for a reasonable price of $10.99. Man, we really pay for those good commercials now, do we? Yep. Well, let's get back to the restart on lap 5.
Go, 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 guys! It's the restart! Yeah! How about now? Ow! This cannot be happening to me.
Daryl, I knew these cars were fast, but I've never seen them gone this fast before.
I guess I have before.
Mandy Flywheel has taken the lead. Looks like Winford Bradford Rutherford spins out. Oh boy, that's going to cost him a lot of spots. Look at it, he's all the way back in the pack now. Oh boy, it's going to take some real luck for him to get back up now. We're at 3 wide. Oh boy, they better not start a wreck. Oh no, Eugene's spinning. He saves it. Oh, looks like he saved it. And they're not too happy at Dale Earnhardt Jr. for that. He's going to get pushed back. Yeah, but it doesn't look like he'll be catching up anytime soon. I can't believe McQueen's still holding on to that lead. Will Davey Apex pass him? I'm pretty sure he will. McQueen can't stay in first forever. Oh no! Oh, another huge crash behind the other racers, involving pretty much everybody except for the people in front, and Winford too. Man, Winford did a pretty good job of getting through there, but I'm just at a loss of words. Shit does not know how to race fair. Does he ever race fair? Yeah, good point. He's crashing them again! Oh, they saved it. But it looks like that we're gonna have to pull out the red flag after this one. This was a huge crash. And it looks like the safety cars are gonna come and help the racers who are out.
Alright, after that big wreck, it seems that they're all ready to pit now. Daryl, all the races are in the pits.
Oh, well, okay. We'll catch you soon.
Looks like we're going to restart on lap 8. since it was a very long cleanup. Well, get ready, boys. We're coming into the restart again. Claude Scruggs is taking an immediate lead, with Chuck Armstrong following him in hot pursuit. Anyways, McQueen is not in first, but Mac Icar getting a little dirty with Claude Scruggs. He's gonna take over second, followed by Murray Clutchburn, and looks like Chuck Armstrong's gonna take back second place. Lightning McQueen's catching up a little bit, and now we're on lap 8. Sorry, I got that mixed up. I said lap 8 instead of 7, so now we're actually on lap 8. Wait, McQueen is stuck. Is he gonna get out? Okay, he got out. That's good. I just noticed that. Sorry if you were really concerned. It is lap 9, Daryl. Oh boy, Bob, this is gonna be exciting. It looks like Eugene Kobreski is taking second place. Eugene and Claude are battling it out for first. Alright, we're on the final lap. This is where it gets crazy, right? Yep, Daryl, especially after such a big race, it is finally coming to an end. Let's see who's gonna win! Oh my, it's Murray Clutchburn! Murray Clutchburn wins this race! I wasn't even paying attention to him. I know, right? Wow, what a race.
Speaking of Chuck Armstrong, what happened to him? He didn't finish very high. He got very far back. What happened? And we won't be able to find out. It's time to look back. First time 30, eh? Well, let's see Murray Clutchburn celebrate his victory and do his burnouts. Hey, be careful there, buddy. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Murray Clutchburn is very happy about his win. Well, we'll see you guys at the next Piston Cup race. Until next time, blah blah!